This is going to be closing the cash office on the NextGen system. So first we're going to close the register down on NextGen. We're going to go to log off, and then we're going to say yes to removing the cash drawer. That prints a slip, and we pull the drawer just like you would from the old system. All right. And on the slip, it's going to have all the information we're going to need for the cashier balancing. Looks like Paige forgot to do a starting bank, so we get to teach you how to fix that in the cash office. Paige is a brand new key, so we're not going to hold that against her. But it's a good thing for the video because we can teach you how to fix it. All right, on the computer, we're going to go to Daily, Money Counting, and Additional Cash Management Tools. We're going to sign into that just like we sign into the NextGen registers, which is your long employee ID number and then your password or cashier ID. Then we go to Cash Functions, Tills, and in this case, because we forgot the starting bank, we're going to go to Additional Float. And then we're going to go to Pages Till, which will be this bottom one. And we're going to put in, got to cover the numbers up, hon. 150. Negative 150. Sorry. Because we want to take 150 out. Okay, next. And then save. And then next. Okay, now we can go to End Till Session on the left and choose the correct till. We're going to actually choose both of those because the one is our self-checkout, which we are closing as well. Next. Save. And then next again. So now it shows that we have all of our tills closed. Well, it doesn't. It should, so we're going to do this one again. Next. Save. It
select it.
It unclicked it. Okay, and next again. Perfect. Then we're going to go back over to tills, and we're going to go to Reconcile Till Session. We're going to go to the top one. And this is our self-checkout, and the value was $5.19. Go ahead and click on the value there on the left. Right there, yep. Type in $5.19 on the pennies line. Don't forget your decimal point. Next. Then we're going to say next again and submit. Okay, next one more time. There we go. Now we're going to choose Pages Till. And Paige is going to count her till using only the Cash Master. Go ahead and count that till for us. And you just follow the prompts on the screen. It tells you what rolls or cups that you need to put in. So she's going to put them on one by one. Whoops. Yeah, one by one and let it beep. There we go. And then pick them all up together. Perfect. Then it's going to ask for ones. Okay, so now we're going to take the number on the Cashmaster and type it into our calculator, 387.46, and subtract the 150 that was our starting bank. So what we need to pull from this till is going to be 237.46. So Paige is going to go ahead and do that. One more. Great. Okay. Yep. All right. And then on the screen, you're going to click on the value place again, like we did for the other one. And we're going to type in our 237.46. Next. Okay. So it's showing she is off by 1 penny. Good job, Paige. So go ahead and pull out your register balancing slip that is going to be in your 100 slot. We're going to fill that out now before we complete on the screen, because then we have all the information in front of us. So the amount cash would be the amount you pulled or the amount you typed in. Okay. Amount checks is always going to be 0. Amount pickups also 0 tonight because we don't have any pickups either on that slip or on the screen. Then short over comes from that last line where it said she was under a penny, which you put in parentheses because it's a negative. We didn't have any coupons, so X on both of those lines. And then initial. Perfect. So then Paige is going to, on the screen, she's going to click Next, Submit, and Next. So all of our tills are ended and reconciled. So we're ready to do our deposit, but we still have a few minutes to wait for the safe. So we're going to come back in a few minutes.